malalaman na nila.
Law of attraction, mga kaibigan. It exists. Yung bagay na iniisip mo, no, nasisend out yan sa universe. Tapos, sila yung nag-a-arrange. Yung mundong to, yung universe mismo, yung sinend mong vibration out there, somewhere in the universe, binabalik nila sa'yo kung ano yung thoughts na nilabas mo. So, ano ibig sabihin nito, mga kaibigan? If you want to change your life, you have to change your mind. Okay? I'll start it with that. Kung gusto mong baguhin ang buhay mo, baguhin mo muna yung takbo ng utak mo. Kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo ngayon, lahat yan, nagmula sa utak mo lang. Nagmanifest lang yan into reality. Okay? Why? Because your thoughts, okay, becomes your words. And your words becomes your action. And your action becomes your reality. Kung ano yung mga bagay na inisip mo, magmamanifest yan into real life.
Tala, Sadik. Maraming magtatanong yan, pre.
What's this?
Water and cumin powder.